Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, the sum of four numbers in AP is 68 and the sum of their squares is 4036. What are these numbers? Let the terms be, or that numbers be, a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. Now, we have given this sum as 68. So, a minus 3d plus a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 3d is 68. 4a equals to 68. Divide throughout by 4, we get a equals to 17. Also, given that sum of squares is 4036. So a minus 3d its square plus a minus d its square plus a plus d its square plus a plus 3d its square equals to 4036. So 289 minus 102d plus 9d square plus 289 minus 34d plus d square plus 289 plus 34d plus d square plus 289 plus 102d plus 9d square equals to 4036. Now solving all this, we get 20d square plus 1156 equals to 4036. So this is 20d square equals to 4036 minus 1156. So after solving this, we will get d equals to 12 and minus 12. Consider d equals to 12. The positive value. So the terms be a minus 3d means 17. A minus d means 17 minus 12, that is, this is 17 minus 36. First term be 17 minus 3 into 12 means 36. Then a minus d, that is 17 minus 12. Then a plus d means 17 plus 12. And a plus 3d, that is 17 plus 36. Hence, the terms be minus 19, 5, 29, 53.